Best lug comparison. Lug wrenches are indispensable tools for vehicle owners, ensuring that tire changes and maintenance can be performed efficiently and safely. Whether you're dealing with a roadside emergency or regular tire maintenance, the right lug wrench can make all the difference. For this comparison, we evaluated 5 popular. The Cartman 14-inch lug wrench is a classic 4-way tire iron designed for durability and ease of use. Constructed from forged, heat-treated carbon steel and finished with a polished chrome plating, it resists corrosion while delivering reliable strength. Its 4 socket heads, 11/16, 3/4 of an inch, 1/13 of an inch, 7/8 of an inch, accommodate both SAE and metric lug nut sizes, making it versatile for most vehicles. At 14 inches in length, it strikes a balance between portability and leverage, ideal for roadside emergencies or routine tire changes. During testing, the Cartman lug wrench performed consistently well in loosening and tightening lug nuts, thanks to its sturdy construction and ergonomic design. However, its shorter length can limit torque for particularly stubborn lug nuts, requiring additional effort. Its polished chrome finish is visually appealing, but can become slippery in wet conditions. Overall, this is a reliable and budget-friendly option for everyday use. The EP Auto 14-inch 4-way lug wrench is manufactured from forged, heat-treated carbon steel and features a corrosion-resistant powder-coated finish. Its universal fitment includes 4 socket sizes, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, suitable for most standard lug nuts. Designed for portability, this wrench is compact yet offers reasonable leverage for tire maintenance tasks. Its matte black finish adds a modern aesthetic and improves grip. In practice, the EP Auto lug wrench delivered solid performance, loosening lug nuts with ease in most scenarios. However, like the Cartman model, its 14-inch length limits torque for exceptionally tight lug nuts. The powder-coated finish enhances durability, but may wear over time with frequent use. This wrench is an excellent choice for casual users seeking a reliable and affordable tool for routine tire maintenance. List 3. The EP Auto Telescoping Lug Wrench is a standout budget option, featuring a telescoping handle that extends from 13 to 19 inches for enhanced leverage. Made from hardened treated chrome vanadium steel, CRV, it offers exceptional durability and corrosion resistance. The wrench includes 4 socket sizes, 17mm, 19mm, 21mm, 22mm, and comes with a convenient carry bag for storage, making it highly portable and user-friendly. This telescoping wrench excelled in performance tests, easily loosening stubborn lug nuts thanks to its extended handle length. Its compact design and included carry bag make it ideal for roadside emergencies. However, the telescoping mechanism may feel slightly loose over time with frequent use. Despite this minor drawback, the EP Auto Telescoping Lug Wrench offers outstanding value for its price. List 4. The GTE Lugstrong 26-inch wrench is the premium option in this comparison, offering unparalleled torque and versatility. Constructed from ultra-strong alloy steel, it doubles as a high-torque breaker bar, making it suitable for the most stubborn lug nuts. It includes 4 socket sizes, 17mm, 3/4 inch, 19mm, 21mm, and an adapter for additional sockets. The ergonomic anti-slip grip and extended length provide superior control and leverage. In testing, the Lugstrong wrench excelled in every scenario, effortlessly loosening even rusted or over-tightened lug nuts. Its extended length and robust construction make it ideal for heavy-duty use, though its size may be cumbersome for storage in smaller vehicles. The lifetime warranty adds peace of mind, ensuring long-term reliability. This is the best choice for users who prioritize performance and durability. List 5. The Torin TRX 311014F is a professional-grade 4-way lug wrench made from forged, heat-treated steel for durability. Its powder-coated finish resists corrosion, and the 14-inch length offers reasonable leverage for most tire maintenance tasks. Compatible with SAE and metric lug nut sizes, it is designed for versatility and ease of use, making it a reliable tool for vehicle owners. While the Torin Lug Wrench performed well in standard tire maintenance scenarios, its shorter length limited torque for particularly stubborn lug nuts. The powder-coated finish is durable, but prone to minor chipping with heavy use. Overall, this is a solid and affordable choice for users who need a dependable tool for occasional use.